So this is the January BirchBox. The edit is called Make It Count. So yeah, let's get in here and see what we've got. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have another unboxing for you, and it is this. So this is the January BirchBox. Let's open her up. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit the notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I have a future giveaway going on at the moment. I'm going to link a video just here. Click that video. It's going to show you what's in the giveaway. There's 3 prizes, the top one being the 2021 glossy advent calendar. The other 2 prizes are great as well. And yeah, the giveaway will be happening when we reach 2,000 subscribers. Right, so this is inside the box. And we have the edit card with the information on all the products, which is fab, so we'll be looking at that throughout the video. And then that is the contents that we have. So it's a little bit different. Normally it comes in a box or a makeup bag or something like that, or a tin. This time they've given us shopping bags, but they can't put it in there because it's just a string bag, but we'll go through that more in a moment. And if you are interested in purchasing this for yourself, it costs £12.95 per month. You get 5 products every month in your box. I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box, and that'll get you 30% off if you go for one of the 3, 6 or 12 month subscriptions. But yeah, let's have a dig through and see exactly what we've got. So back to the edit card. It just says on the front the name of this edit is called Make It Your Own. There is a little note in here. We'll just quickly read that. It just says, "Hello BirchBoxers. Everyone's actions have an impact and we can all act more consciously every day. Get started with January's bag. Use your mesh tote bag for shopping, storing produce or taking your lunch to work. By making small changes, you can make your choices count." So yeah, here is the bag. So let's take that off. So this is what the bag looks like. It's lovely, really lovely. It's just got that natural look to it. I'm loving the long strap, so it goes over your shoulder, which is fab. I wonder how much weight that can actually hold. But yeah, I am definitely going to be using this. We have the brand tag on here. But yeah, it's very boho-y, I think. Yeah, I really like it. So yeah, the brand is called Turtle Bags. And it just says organic, super strong, natural fibers, biodegradable, ethical and practical. Ooh. Turtle Bags has been a subject of a successful ethical environmental audit by WWF. Made in India, cool wash, 100% organic cotton, printed on recycled paper. This is as well. So yeah, wow, very green indeed. Right, so the first product we have is this. So this is by Balance Me. Balance Me have really been doing the rounds for a little while now, and especially this item, the AHA mask, we've got this loads over the last 12 months. But it just says here, if this was a full size, it would be worth £20. It's triple the action, triple the benefits. Charged with AHA's glycolic, lactic and malic acid to brighten and restore radiance to your complexion. This purifying mask also blended with kaolin clay to draw out impurities and give clogged pores a thorough detox, while linden helps to calm and soothe. Okay, so yeah, you put this on your face for 10 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. I have got quite a few of these, I think. And I haven't actually had it. Have I used this? I can't remember. I know it's in my mask drawer. I've recently just sorted all of my face masks out. I'll link a video here. Click that video and you can watch me sorting out my couple of face masks. It's quite a lot. But yeah, I think I've used this. I don't know. But I'm going to be filming a review for it, and anyway, so stay tuned. The second product we have is this. I mean, it's just huge, isn't it? So this is by the brand Arrow, and it is an under eye brightening serum. Is this a full size? It's 3 mils. I don't know. If it was a full size, it might be, it doesn't say on here that it is a full size, it would be £17. It just says this under eye serum not only conceals any unwanted dark bags, but also brightens and moisturizes sensitive skin around the eyes. Filled with squalene, ginseng and caffeine, this illuminating cocktail is sure to wake your eyes up from those morning e-meetings. Okay, I mean, it is cute, really cute. Normally eye stuff is smaller anyway, isn't it? So it might be the full size. I've just popped it there. Oh wow, a little goes a long way. I've put way too much on there. Oh, I like that. I really like that. Oh, mine is in the shade Fair, if you were wondering. Yeah, really like that. The third product we have is this. So this is by the brand Newseed, and it's Rise and Shine Papaya Hair Mask. Oh, I love hair masks, oh my god. Take yourself back to summertime with the tropical scent of this Newseed hair mask. This creamy treatment not only smells amazing, but it detangles your hair, nourishes the ends with an organic formula of papaya and coconut. Spa day incoming. Fabulous. It is made with 98% natural ingredients. Cool. Cool. I have quite a few hair masks building up as well. I'm going to have to start using them. That really does smell absolutely gorgeous. Fourth product we have is this. So it's by the brand Greenfrog, and it's a natural shower gel. It is verbena and bergamot. If this was a full size, it would be £9.95. This is 50 mils in here. Wow, 50 mils, it looks so small, crazy. And it just says, enriched with a sense of verbena wildflower, bergamot and citrus fruit, this natural shower gel would delicately cleanse your skin while using biodegradable goodies to moisturize and protect. This gel is soft enough even for baby's skin. Oh, okay, let's have a little whiff. I can smell lemon in there, definitely. But yeah, lovely. I shall be taking that in the shower with me. And the fifth and final product we have in our box is this. So this is by the brand Marcel, and it's a 3-in-1 micellar solution. If this was a full size, it would be £18. This has 50 mils in. It just says, when we want to strip things back to the basics and forget our lengthy skincare routine, we always reach for this gentle micellar water. Acting as a cleanser and a makeup remover, it's packed with aloe vera and glycerin to soothe and hydrate. Even better, it's completely rinse-free. You'll be done after a few simple swipes with a cotton pad. Yeah, great. I love a micellar water. Just pop some there. I don't think it smells of anything unless my nose isn't working. I think it has a little smell of something, but I can't make out what it is. But yeah, it feels nice and hydrating on the skin. Yeah, cool. Right guys, so this is the January BirchBox Make It Count. What do you think? Right, so personally, it's not a bad little box. It's all right. It's all right. My favourite thing in here, I must say, it must be the hair mask. Very closely followed by the eye brightening serum. That looks really, really good. And yeah, we have received this a lot, not just in BirchBox, in all of the beauty boxes. Yeah, that's been around the block 100 times. Yeah, love a micellar water, and yeah, the shower gel is definitely going to come in handy. So definitely a very usable box. I'm really liking the products. I just think they could have put something else in other than that, because it's been used to death now. But that's just me. What do you think? Comment down below and let me know. Let me know if you received any different products in your box, mainly because I am nosy. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.